How to enable JavaScript on Chrome. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, if you're looking on to enabling JavaScript on your Google Chrome, we are going to show you how we can do it step by step, so you can also follow the same methods in order to enable the JavaScript in your Chrome as well. So for that, first thing first, you need to go ahead and open up Chrome, Google Chrome in your device. You can just go ahead and open it up. And once you're there, go ahead and click on the three dot right beside it and open up your settings of your Google Chrome. Once you've opened up your settings, you will be finding this interface on your screen. So once you're here on the left side of your screen, go ahead and click on privacy and safety. And under here, you will be finding different settings available. Choose the last one, which says Site Settings. Under Site Settings, scroll down and look for the option called JavaScript, which is under Content on the second option below third-party cookies. Just go ahead and enable it. Click on it. And once you're here, you will be finding this option called Sites Can Use JavaScript. If you have selected the second option, Don't Allow, go ahead and click the very first link that says Sites Can Use JavaScript, and that is how you enable the JavaScript on your Google Chrome. So that is a super easy method. You can also go ahead and add different browser settings available, different browsers if you want, and that is it. So that is how you add it or enable it for now. So follow up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.